I told you that one of the best luxury communities in Southern Nevada is not in Summerlin, it's not in Southern Highlands, and it's not even in McDonald's Ranch. Today, I'm going to show you a community in Lake Las Vegas, South Shore, where luxury is what you expect from a community that offers everything. What we're going to cover today is a home that is listed right behind me. I'm going to show you South Shore community, and I'm going to show you why it's so special and why many people seek out South Shore as their ultimate exclusive destination. Lake Las Vegas was built around a man-made lake, and in the desert, that's already rare. You'll have a village-style setup, golf courses, walking paths, trails, and a whole ambiance that doesn't even seem like Southern Nevada. It's quiet, clean, controlled, almost like you left the city without actually leaving it. South Shore is its premier community. It's the only double-guarded and gated community in Lake Las Vegas. Homeowners here value privacy, security, mature landscaping, golf course set, and you're only minutes away from the village, from the water, from the golf courses, and everything that Lake Las Vegas has to offer. There's a famous saying in real estate: location, location, location. Yes, you can buy a new home in Lake Las Vegas. What you can't buy is maturity, towering trees, thoughtful landscaping, established streetscapes, and the reputation that South Shore has earned as the flagship community in Lake Las Vegas. Over the last several months, buyers here in Lake Las Vegas have been attracted to South Shore, looking for privacy and luxury. Updated homes on premium lots have been very, very desirable, while pricing continues to depend heavily on location, views, lot sizes, and the quality of renovations. South Shore was the original community here in Lake Las Vegas. As you can see, it's surrounded by mature landscaping. This olive tree right behind me is over 20 years old. And if you take a look at the streetscape, we have pavers throughout the entire community. Landscaping is lush. The driveways here in this community fit 4 to 5 cars. So in other words, this is a community that has maintained its integrity, has maintained its beauty. The landscaping has made it quite unique, something that you won't find in the rest of Lake Las Vegas. Bella Vivente neighborhood reflects a timeless Mediterranean revival style with Tuscan influences. You notice a warm stucco exteriors, narrow tile roofs, arched entryways, private courtyards, architecture designed to complement the natural beauty of Lake Las Vegas rather than overpowering it. We have oversized lots, full-size yards, golf courses, 7-foot frontage. One of the biggest advantages of this lot is its openness behind the property. Instead of staring directly into another home, you've got depth, greenery, and constantly changing natural light throughout the entire day. And while the home itself sits on the golf course, you're just minutes away from the lake and the village dining, the amenities that make Lake Las Vegas a unique part of Henderson. One thing this home does really well is natural light. The windows throughout the property continuously pull your attention outward toward the golf course and mountain scenery, giving the home a very open and calming feel. The layout also flows naturally between the living spaces, dining areas, and kitchen, making the home feel connected without sacrificing separation. The kitchen has gone a major redone over the last 30 days. Over 100 cabinet pieces were redone, giving the space a much cleaner and more modern presentation. You also have rare granite countertops, extensive cabinetry, generous prep space, and strong connectivity to the surrounding living and dining areas. And in luxury homes, kitchen matters because they become social spaces just as much as functional ones. The master bedroom continues the same theme found throughout the rest of the home. Space, light, and peaceful scenery. And honestly, having a golf course and mountain views integrated throughout the property creates a much different atmosphere than what many people typically associate with Las Vegas living. The additional bedrooms, loft, and the den also offer strong flexibility for guests, multi-generational living, or dedicated office and hobby spaces. In my opinion, this home works very well for someone looking for a lock-and-leave luxury home, a second residence, or simply a quieter version of Las Vegas living. It combines golf frontage, proximity to lake, strong natural scenery, and a highly functional floor plan inside one of Las Vegas' most unique communities. And honestly, homes like this remind people that Las Vegas is far more diverse than most outsiders realize. One of the things that I like most about this home is that most of the heavy lifting has already been done. We have new painting, we have new carpet, we have the cabinets that were completely redone, baseboards were done, fresh paint in the kitchen and in the living areas as well. This home is obviously not for everyone. If you want to live 5 minutes from the strip, this is not the place. But for those of you who value privacy, golf course living, walking distance to the village and to the waterfront, luxury living, this is Henderson's most exclusive communities. It's definitely worth a closer look. Here's my take. SouthShore offers something that simply can't be replaced overnight. Mature landscaping, timeless architecture, an established sense of place, and a reputation that has made it the flagship luxury community in Lake Las Vegas, if not of all Las Vegas. And now offered at $1.38 million, this home represents a compelling opportunity to own not just a beautiful property, but a premier location within one of Southern Nevada's most distinguished communities. If you'd like to experience it for yourself, I'd be happy to arrange a private tour. And if you're considering buying or selling in Lake Las Vegas or anywhere in Las Vegas, I'd love the opportunity to help. If this were my home, this is exactly where I would be every morning drinking my coffee. I'm Giacomo with Living Vegas with Giacomo. Thanks for watching. Arrivederci.